Find or read reviews that people are talking about MHPOWOS solar charger, 110 watts, portable solar panel, IP67 waterproof foldable solar panel kit with 20 volt output. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Highly efficient. Using monocrystalline silicon solar cells, with an industry-leading 23.5% conversion rate. MHPOWOS solar panels can charge your solar generator/power station faster and more efficiently than ever. Plugs into most power stations with solar connectors to boot. Easy to install. MHPOWOS 110 watt solar panel equipped with a professional solar output interface. No complicated installation procedures are required. Plug and play. Installation takes less than 10s. Can quickly charge your power station, solar generator, RV, and other equipment. Foldable and portable and waterproof and dustproof. MHPOWOS 110 watt solar panel weighs only 3 kilograms. It folds up like a briefcase and can be taken anywhere. Ideal as an RV solar panel, camping solar panel and outdoor panel. Charge anywhere. And the 110 watt solar panel has IP67 waterproof rating. These portable solar panels are made for the outdoors and can withstand the elements. Compatible with most solar generators. MHPOWOS 110 watt portable solar panel equipped with a common solar output interface, is compatible with most portable power station, solar generator on the market. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.